Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is ROYALHEMU. In this video I am going to talk about my previous moto vlogging camera. This is a SJCAM, and you already seen my previous video. I am using this kind of moto vlogging setup with my phone. In case you didn't watch, please check in the description. I will give you in the link. And one more thing guys, why I am not using this one, because this one is not working. And I have tried so many options. Some people they are saying some software needs to update, and that one also I tried, it didn't work out. So I want you guys help. If you guys know any information about this one to fix the issue, please let me know and comment me below. Now I will show you the issue about this camera. So whenever I am pressing on this power button, so it is turning on. You can see here, and here also some light indications coming. But the screen didn't appear here. When I am connected to my system, it didn't work out. So I have tried so many options. I didn't get any solution for this one. If you guys know anything, please let me know. And this is the SJ5000x. This one, when I bought it, this cost is around 7,000, and I don't know the current price right now. One more disadvantage with this SJCAM is there is no external mic for this this model. This model is SJCAM5000x. This one don't have the external mic, so while riding our bikes, so we can record only the video. So we cannot give our voice to the video that time itself. So that is one disadvantage. And if I'll try some other options also, if it didn't work, I'll go for another SJCAM. And I am looking for a new camera if it didn't work. If you guys know any best camera, cheap and best, I think SJCAM only again it will be the best choice for me. That's what I'm thinking when I'm checking so many options. If you know any another brand camera for the action cam apart from the GoPro and SJCAM, please let me know. I will check that one. If I like that one, I will buy it. And currently I am looking for a new action camera. Currently for timing I am using that my mobile as a action cam. And one more thing guys, if you know any people this can be repairable or not, because I don't think so this camera, this type of cameras they will repair. But if anyone repaired, or if you know anything about this one, please comment me below. I will try that one also. I also tried so many options. I opened this camera and tried to repair, but it didn't work out. So currently I am looking for a new motovlogging camera. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and please comment me below and like my videos and share my videos. And I'll show you some old video which I recorded with this camera. Please check this out. And there is no audio, so I'll add some music and I will play the video. Please check the video till the end for this clarity about this SJCAM. In case any people which are new to the motovlogging, or if anybody are interested to buy the action camera, SJCAM is the best option. Please try it. guys watching the video till the end. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like my videos, share my videos and comment me below and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.